You have got Africa. What try I said, yeah, you can try. Young Cassia football. You have got no apology. Yes, I leak a business. You're going to our sons. You are a Cassida, Cassia, in the
Baba, what else do you do? Do you remember? Oh, what do you have? Until some of the piano, a back of foot to move. Now I to be a supporter of the federal. I don't see any show. But some more processes in the summer, Mumpata was on here. Mamma was so come on. Okay. It's not as an ancient mono. I bet Pama, what would be now, Fabu sense of so. So the police of Fuduku, I can't go my son. I won't video. Fafu, any video, Mamma, and I get a car. My who said, GFA Penny Bakwabaka, or Pachamo the organization is stable. GFA, that's the phone Bakwaba. When you surprise power, I'm vice chairman of the GFA, Baba. What's I to say? On the main part of the team, some of the senior private college, Timothy. What's the problem? Now, trying to say, Baba is one share red, yet the red never out. That's all share red and green and black. Woman, more is just about Komami. Brown Swell, woman, go to just about Komami. Yembrando. Anna at the bread. Okay. But I am not a penny no Eddie. I am penny of mobile. They are very important. Now for me go on to the video no. But a penny pa. Okay. Deep penny from our pato. I am Samu. The beer what to the Napic, what is only the background. I don't know two for a friend of Sanabra. Team Naji, the white mamma Pato. Of Benny, an Apic, Hanma Pato, whom I have come into the zoo. Now, I know only two for them. Pato, focus a man. Only two for a friend in the I had the own son and Apic, but two for the Opani kwasi apia de Ghana obi anim no. Why record atuo? Oba oyade. Ne coach oyade. Managing oyade so say oye coach for Sudan. And osai management member Kotoko. The money boti. No mo tell mo e ma pani kwatape. Aye. The great Baelu. The time na Ochi Africa Cup no. Onisi to mo. Yaji to me we are members to say cup no dey question no family na eji ewu. I told me to be some. I and I pay vice chairman GFA the one who did that. I open the start. ana ma wuse chairman de manya aha ba hunu say de naka management team no chairman de manya ono so ho Safo Duku also say red Safo Bray nehu aha penifo kotoko penifo no ana aha kotoko kasamafo ana enemy lawyer Safo Duku ana fe enka sama no abutu akoto so ana sikano do science kalmar ko amonte secret boss padamu ana hobu penifo do so ya no munyina wi ti yewe de say you no na obi be bi tasa fa bo sense so eye tian pato yenti yensa fanfre ye nana ana penkra na omeka wasam kakra fantre pani ana penkra e ba beka wasam kakra che pato fo mo kasi sha ye pani
delay kakra see delay
Amunya ready with the video no so ye ba wo sisi ya I say mo share ti asa mo for ni bebre sa for ni we at the right time be ba ho ye be di no so enkomo be di enkomo chano ekoso minusa eche bia kwa mo betide na enkomo ba ho ni nyina dia pro afi na do video no e dey to internet no so a ye wo fabu online be boa o se fabu agasa etwa ana media houses nyina manya hu open mu de reso mu nyina wa o so be di twa na other guys mu nyina twa tino online be ekoso live for enjoy die no eche bia na Africa e ba be ka fabu sense of wasem e dey actually set here shemu ha and the brief background on the fabu census within the dead no and I may talk no be trouble. This is Jola Kawa and sometime I sometime I need Jola cannot move Fox and I may be walk Capital Radio. Now a baby soon and the more dear Kotoko. Eosika Sebu, Sabra no penny have been best on the world. Now of Frey or Lee Maradona have a friend me and a Jola Ka and a catcher said, I'll see a pepper and be so. Na etini resist kakaka na e dey run ekotoko no ono e bomode dey but I see fa kwan bi so na etini resist kadema kotoko na bibia koyie ento pese odi jumade bi ba ya to dey yibi ma meni mo amache ekotoko no why dey kai yibi ma do sana mo capital radio sana bi tukoi ti e be na time no enti e na bi sa na yibi ma na e be ndem no so okay ade e be ne say radio stations ahodo na Kumasi ani nyina no omo de kotoko enkata na book bakoto okwa sika bia wo akoma mu bia say 5 cities 10 cities 20 cities okwa no atro bi na de asha no na wo just kan no na kotoko bi ba bi de friend kotoko express na ba weekly every Monday bia na ba Monday bia na ba it is outro di na next week Monday we di be ba se bia supporter Karim Zito which 100 cities amakotoko bia following week Safo Duku tro di dia Safo Duku 100 cities amakotoko sa ti ma obia no Kumasi bia no person di economics program ti amakotoko nya skapa me ho at that time capital radio me kai crabs at that time 80 million that time capital Jola Kamoto G view Fox and I would take another stations na me say enoro the abefo dia abalo any fabu census because that time America no na internet no enye djuma butima sendiska internet man nipa 2 and more bus stations betro mu di just can and the same thing more or less the same fabu census but this time no we be free no so and it's that simple a summary of the Ebabe one the PS thing and yeah call the latest ti pasama ko to compare for so maso sa na no na ye de kakra Ebabe support na bibia aye kama enti ye fa so makase ye share papa nana we de kwa mu da honma be boy ko makakra na pato na pe kra ye fa so makase ye share na kwa nana pe kra de no Ahine prekope account fusulo ni bupa yeso no say yewra tifo no so no accountants no apim pa anti wo so yi the replica na abaro anti opani ya makwaba Adisada College. Adisco for Adisada College for you. On a quad disco. No, quad disco. Adisco Akaba. Private College for Akaba. Eti Openi Anapikra. Ọbẹ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ wọ́n kakra. Wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kẹsẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ànìkọ́ ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀ máa kọ̀mọ́ ní ẹ̀rẹ̀. DJ, ọmọ ìkíni bọ́ọ̀lù mi kọ́ tó wà náà ní Emmanuel di ọ̀pẹ ní voice of kakra. Bọ́ọ̀lù mi kọ́ sùkúrù. Ẹ kọ́ sùkúrù paa sílẹ̀ báyìí obi ọ̀ṣọ́ pàtó ọbẹ̀ ti sẹ̀ kásá. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìdáná.
Láwẹ́sì ìdásí bèbè. Fabulous. Menti dede ni yie, ọmọ ọmọ ẹkyerẹ hɔ no. Ọmọ ọmọ flag no hɔ no, menti dede ni yie. Bigi, menti wo dede ni yie. Fabulous. Ẹ̀dásí. Ẹ̀yẹ́ mi dẹ̀, ẹ̀yẹ́ mi ẹni díẹ̀ paa sẹ́ ẹ̀yìn náà ti yẹ ṣiẹ́ mu ẹ̀dùnmírè yìí. Yẹ ṣiẹ́ mu wà ha ẹ̀yẹ́ bìbí sọ̀kọ̀ ẹ̀sọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ́ bìbí à ẹ̀dẹ́m. Since yẹ baa yẹ 2022, 2023 yìnyínná no, àdá yà kó wà so. Sẹ́ yẹ bẹ́hwẹ́ náà yẹ siesie fabu census. Yẹ́ ayé nim ẹ̀mboa a ẹ̀bẹ̀boa yẹ ẹ̀fa fabu census mu. Na ansa na mẹ́kọ́ so atoa benefits ní ẹ̀yọ́mà fabu census deɛ yɛrekɔ yɛn anim yɛbɛboa yɛn no mɛsrɛ no ma frɛ past national chairman foɔ no chairman Benazil, chairman K5 chairman past chairman foɔ no nyinaa wɔ mmra dawenya sɛ woyɛ director of operations so yɛka past chairman ɔka ho mɔtumi nyinaa wɔ mmra ɛyɛ adwumadi a mohyɛ aseɛ no ɛna yɛto aso na metwɛn dɔkta kyerɛ ama n'aba na mmiri nyinaa gyina ha ɛso ɔnam kwan so ɔba ntiɛntiɛ biara no ɛntiɛ biara no dɔkta kyerɛ bɛba abɛka yɛn ho ha mpanyinfoɔ yi na adi supporters foɔ anim efiri K5 mmira so ba chairman Benazil ɛna ba nsɛm mu Benazil mu K5 then Dawenya yɛbɛgyina akonnwa yi so platform yi a yɛyɛ yi ɛno ara na yɛde bɛkɔ yɛn anim ato abatoɔ ne yɛbɛto no akyire bɛyi ɔmo bɛgyina no ní akyerɛ date ne obiara deɛ ɔbɛyɛ mpanyinfoɔ adwuma pa a wɔyɛɛyɛ no ɛna ama sɛsɛyi fabu census yɛbaa yɛ a yɛyɛ mu adwuma kakra ama na bɛduru deɛ yɛaduru sɛ anwummerɛ yi yɛhyia ha na yɛbɛyɛ relaunch ɛfiri sɛ fabu census yɛgyidi sɛ akɔ fam mebaa yɛ mehwɛ sikasɛm nkrataa mu a akɔ fam paa ɛno nti na yɛahyɛ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ relaunch nti wɔn wɔ ha mɛsrɛ wɔn ma yɛ brief wei deɛ mesi brief o K5 na esu osakasa wɔn ma yɛ brief sɛdeɛ esi hyɛ aseɛ kakra sɛdeɛ esi kɔɔ yɛn tobo aba bɛbɛduru yɛyɛ apɛ so a na yɛyɛ so ato aso nti wei deɛ mɛsrɛ wɔn ne die mu a nam deɛ ama wɔn na wɔn ato aso ama mi wɔn yɛ fa nsɛmpo nhyia wɔn.
Fabulous.
Ebo de kumpa. Ɛbusuafo yɛ hyia. I'm simpanimfoɔ. Ɛne yɛ supporters nyinaa. Mesrɛ mo. Fabu census. Deɛ ladin sii kaeɛ no ɛwɔ mu saa na mmom nokora ne nyame anim fabu census paa a yɛyɛ no sesei no
so biara ti aseɛ sɛ ɛyɛ na no se titi o tɔ so mmienu ɔpinsoɔ ɔna de fa sɛsɛ deɛ ti na meka sɛ ɔpinsoɔ na de fa sɛsɛ baa ɔno ɛna o invite saa time ne yɛ from ladies ne yɛ from Akopa ɛna ladies ɛna circle. Eti ɔpinsoɔ ɛfrɛ yɛ meeting mu nyinaa no a mo bɛka yɛ a ne nimdeɛ ɛne ne nyansɛn ɛna ɔka sɛ supporters ko obiara ma no 1 cedi a ɛnka team no ɛbɛkɔ n'anim saa time no na yɛ owura nyantakyi ɛna na ɛwɔ hɔ te hɔ a na oyi Osudɔnkɔ Mr. Osudɔnkɔ ɛna ɔhwɛ saa deɛ na sɛ na lavin si ɛka saa time ne yɛ de paper ɛne pen ɛna na ɛtwerɛ ne yɛfrɛ no database ne yɛfrɛ no database enti ɛno ne yɛyɛ kakra kɔpem sɛ yɛnya company bi a yɛfrɛ mo Gimatech ti Gimatech foɔ ne baa yɛ ɔmbɛka kyerɛ sɛ daabi sɛ yɛbɛkɔ dwom akɔtwerɛtwerɛ ɛne ho nneɛma no ɔmo machines a ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ nti Gimatech foɔ ɔmo start adeɛ no ne yɛte kɔtɔkɔ supporter biara 1 cedi a na MTN foɔ nko afa 60 pesos ɛyɛ 60%. No ɔmo se nkurɔfoɔ bi nso de content billers no ɔmo nso te 20%. Na 20% akɔ kɔtɔkɔ hɔ ɛna no nso na nti sɛ nna die yɛ o ɔmo twɛn ayɛ bi a 4 months nsa na ɔmo aprinte ɛde abrɛ yɛ ama yɛhu sɛ ade ne sei na tie ɛtumi nua wohwɛ mu a kɔtɔkɔ supporters a na ɔmo ne nwoma no na ɔmo complaini sɛ daabi mimi nkɔtua 1 cedi ma MTN nko amfa 60%. Etina afei ɔmo start gyae eti Gimatech yɛ n'adwene sɛ saa deɛ ɔbɛkɔ akɔfa machines aba a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ saa time na yɛwura Christopher Damanya nso baeɛ ti Christopher na saa time nso kɔtɔkɔ yɛtiri yɛyɛ mmiɛnya one of the best administrators ɛyɛ nana yɛ Wampansa eti ɔmo trance ɛna ɔmo hyehyɛ yɛ a ɔmo sisa din no ɛyɛ no Fabu census Fabu no egyina ɔmo ayɛ fabulous yɛ mmerɛ ane no ɛna census nso the same as database the person obi ate aseɛ sɛ apart from say yɛgye mu sika no yɛsɛ nya mu data a sɛ yɛn mpanimfoɔ ka sɛ ɔmo kɔ akɔ pɛ sponsor wodi data kɔ a obiara bɛhu sɛ ampa okuta wei etimada roma kakra wɔ hɔ no meda mo ase.
Yɛda yɛnua panyin kɔdu abɔnsa K5 ase paa na Dr. Jima wɔ ha a ɔnsɔre ɛ na obiara hu ne sɛ ɔno na ɔyɛ ɛyɛ a ɔtwerɛ wei ne dugu kɔmputa that wɔde na hwɛ obiara de ehu wɔn ɔtukɔ na ehu Dr. Jima no na yɛsi team ntumi nyina abra supporters anyhow abroni bɛka ne sɛ there is no team without a supporter nti mo supporters no mo na mo ma yɛ mu yɛdu sɛ Asante Kɔtɔkɔ no a yɛduru baabi a yɛbɔ mu a na obiara hyɛki yɛkeka yɛn ho koraa na GFfoɔ koraa so awo so ɛso sɛ deɛ ɛno ɔma fa adamfoɔ ɔmo tiri yɛ so nti yɛso yɛyɛ ɔmo asɛdeɛ so mo yɛsrɛ mo yɛsi yɛnkɔte aduro mmara no ane ahan sɛ mo ne yɛ supporters na mo ta yɛ akyi a kakra na mo bɛyi ama yɛ bosomi biara no ɛno ɛna ɛbɛma yɛ mu ayɛ du na sɛbi wɔkyena bi yɛhu Ronaldo foforɔ bi wɔ baabi ne yɛkɔ akɔfa n'aba a ne yɛtena gyina sɛ yɛwɔ sika ne yɛtena gyina sɛ yɛmu odu yɛbɛtumi akɔ akɔpɛ n'aba sɛsɛ yɛnte sɛ first na wɔbɛka sɛ bi a yɛbɔ friendly match bi ne yɛde ɛrezi sika de akɔfa support player bi aba sɛsɛ yɛahwɛ stadium attendance ne biribiara ɛkɔ fam ba ne nyinaa so gyina yɛ supporters yaa sakaeɛ a yɛwɔ ha yi koraa po yɛn nyinaa yi etumi ba stadium tam biara no koraa na ɔba na ɔtwe nipa mmienu mmiɛnsa bi di w'akyi a akeɛ dodoɔ no bɛkɔ soro ntumi gyina kwan nyinaa yi so aka akyerɛ mu tie nyinaa yɛnkanyakanya yɛn ho yɛmpagya yɛn ho ne yɛmfrɛfrɛ yɛn ho ne yɛmbra yɛba yɛn nyinaa otumfoɔ koraa na ayi sika ɛna yɛ sponsor Hisense na so na se yɛbɛdidi o yɛbɛda o yɛbɛkɔ yɛbɛba o ne nyinaa yɛ yɛwura otumfoɔ a nsa so oyiri mu bebrebe a emu agyine mamu mmea ntena hɔ ɛma ne nsa nkɔgyine ansa mamu mmea ntena hɔ ma ne mpa aba nsa sɛnea kefa sika yɛ no ɔno ara na ɔka sɛ supporters po yɛagye ahodi sɛ Ghana ha sɛsɛ yɛ over yɛbɛ millions a Ghana ha no yɛɛ nea ɛwɔ supporters dodoɔ a na sɛ obiara kora mpo yi 5 cities po ɔhene po de ɔka 1 city obiara yi 5 cities kora mpo de boa a akabosome biara no yɛn ho bɛtɔ yɛn akanyɛ sɛ daa yɛdi ne ho akɔneaba ɛkɔ srɛ no yɛpɛ sika akɔ yɛwɔ yɛpɛ sika akɔ atu akwan ɛne biribiara yi Fabu census ɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛnea K5 ti ɛka yɛn no but 22nd March 2022 ɛna wenua ketewa nana yɛ ɔpɔnsa no ɛne Dr. Jiba ne mpanyinfoɔ ɛlankyeyɛ ɛma project no pilot project no starteyɛ pilot project no starteyɛ ɛkɔ soro no aba fam yɛyɛ baa yɛ deɛ kwan na ɛkɔ fam yɛbaa yɛ nkegya yɛn ho efifɛ na deɛ ɛsa a obi atwa no ɔwɔ sɛ ɔba bɛtoa so ɔte ɛhwehwɛ mu ne ehu sɛdeɛ esi wɔ mu mmemmete nkyɛn no na Fabu census na mete aseɛ mebaa yɛ abɛde dɔkta mo tena ase ɛna mate aseɛ sɛsɛ mahu mu biribiara mu course nyinaa mada koraa na ɔfrɛ me a mete aka akyerɛ ne nyinaa yɛ adeɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛhwɛ ne yɛde boa yɛn ho yɛhwɛ ɛyɛ sɛsɛ bi ne wɔ kasa yi afu awia yi nipa 24,690 ɛna register for Fabu census na wei ne edi dwa yɛn num sɛ yɛn ne ɛwɔ supporters dodoɔ no 24,000 deɛ eduru baabi a nti ɛsrɛ mo nyinaa yɛn nyinaa yɛkanyakanya yɛn ho na obiara mmra Fabu census no so bi yɛhwɛ sika a yɛnya from 2022 March 22 up to today 20th July 2025 a yɛnya 12,076 payments a yɛayɛ total payments a yɛayɛ afi mu yɛ 12,000 ɛna total sika a yɛnya afi mu no ɛyɛ 2,082,827 ɛde kɔtete sika no mu a ɔpepepepepepepe bebree ɛnso so yɛhu sɛ wei yɛ mfie mmiɛnsa kɔ mfie nnan mu esika no no yɛsrɛ mo yɛba abɛla nkyi yi yɛbɛtwitwam bebree obiara ne ɛsɛ nsatea wɔ hɔ ɛnyɛ pɛ obiara ne deɛ obetumi obiara ne category obetumi abelong yɛwɔ normal category yɛwɔ bronze yɛwɔ silver yɛwɔ gold yɛwɔ platinum ɛna yɛde royal category so aka ho ebiara ne mfaso a obenya ebiara ne ɛho benefits ɛne deɛ obenya yɛgu so ne nkurɔfoɔ keka ebeduru dabi kura okuta Fabu census card na woba mall ha na okowura Melcom anaa Shoprite nneɛma a wɔbɛtoto nyinaa because okuta Fabu census card nti yɛbɛto so 10% ama wo Saa ɛyi n'ankasa card n'ankasa so o tikita ebi a ɔde bɛba stadium mu yɛde bɛte so ama wo yɛne NCA foɔ no bɛkasa na ɔmo ate o tikiti no so ama wo na ɔsi fɛ ti ndi ato na onya mfaso wɔ so royal foɔ no ɔmo bɛ register royal no deɛ yɛ complimentary tickets ni nyinaa ɔmo hɔ na ɛbɛkɔ tɛntikan biara royal foɔ no deɛ wɔ ticket wɔ biribi a yɛyɛ biara no wɔ extraordinary ɛyi a yɛde bɛma wo wobɛnya THB t-shirt bi te sɛ deɛ ɛnɛma hyɛ yi wobɛnya ɛno so bi biribiara wobɛnya bi other categories no so yɛbɛtete so ɛde ama wo mame nom ɛyi fufuo no ho kwan ansa na aduane bɛgye aduane no wei deɛ mɛda mo ase paa so ma baa na masrɛ mo yɛn nyinaa yɛnkeka yɛn ho yɛnim obi a wɔmmaayɛ a yɛmfrɛ no yɛn nyinaa yɛmmra obiara register mo a mowɔ aburokye koraa mbɛtumi register baabi pii a wowɔ biara no wobɛtumi register ɛno ara na yɛde yɛ elections ɛno ara na yɛde yɛ biribi bia a ɛkɔ biara sɛ yɛnnim circles na wɔ hɔ but yɛde ayi kuma pɛnfoɔ ne other platforms ne nyinaa mo nyinaa ma abɛka ho enti yɛn nyinaa yɛ fabulous baako enti wei deɛ yɛbɛsrɛ mo no matena ase kakra sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi atoa ɛde ase bebree.
Osamba Kotoponi Afahine. Awana la pekra. Bone kasa. Yo, na lewe ide. Me friend vice chairman and also from the campaign for anybody from Africa demonstration. And to look at radio, vice we are about. And to about to answer friend, the vice president of the Ghana Football Association, Obani Makado. Yeah, of course, school, Kumasi Ase. I don't say a crowd for. Papa, you go prepare college, you go prepare here. I see, yeah. I took out our own children and I said, almost here, I want to catch them in the car of us, my friend. We're going to Gabon. I prepare college with Vice President, Ghana Football Association, I'm my boss. I want for.
See ya. Fabulous. 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 The chairman of the interim management committee, Nana Africa, Coach Kwesiapia, member of the IMC, leadership of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sporting Club, Coach Zito, distinguished guests, cherished members, and above all, the devoted fans of Kotoko and football lovers across Ghana, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to stand before you today on behalf of the President of Ghana Football Association, Mr. Kurt Simono-Kraku, to witness the unveiling of a bold and visionary innovation, Fabo Census, the official supporters, database, and engagement platform of the great Kumasi Asante Kotoko Supporting Club, Ukum Apema Apem Pepper. Let's say Ukum Apema. Thank you. This innovation is not only historic, but for the first time in Ghana football, a premier club is deploying a digital-powered, globally accessible and verifiable platform that connects fans directly to the club, and not just in name, but in purpose. The Fabo Census will allow Kotoko supporters around the world to register officially, contribute regularly via mobile money, Visa, MasterCard, and gain recognition as active members of one of Africa's most decorated football clubs. This is digital transformation with integrity and direction. And at the Ghana Football Association, we commend it unreservedly. Respectfully, I will also take this opportunity to provide some key advice to the IMC. We must be cognizant of the fact that this initiative, although new in Ghana, has been leveraged in other parts of the world to grow revenue base for digital supporters contribution. So I was very happy when my brother Nana Apikra was here and he was explaining and giving details of how the past revenue had been collected. But to the key of the success of this program, this initiative lies in only one word, and that word is transparency. Let me repeat, the word is what? Transparency. And I will employ the IMC and the entire management of Protocol that this project stands as the threshold of becoming not just a leader in innovation, but also a model of good governance in Ghana football. To achieve this level of transparency, I will suggest the following. Publish regular financial and impact reports on how funds dues are being used. Form supporters oversight committee that includes voices of the funds based on ways to promote accountability. Use data-driven dashboards to show clearly and openly how the city supports player development, club facilities, upgrades, youth growth programs, and operational excellence. Once the funds see the results of their trust, they don't just contribute, they will stay, recruit, and defend the brand. For the fans, for the millions of Kotoko fans, this success cannot rest on technology alone. It will take your passion and participation of every Kotoko supporter, both in Ghana and in the diaspora, for this to be successful. Register fully, not just in name, but with intent. Encourage others to sign up. Family, friends, and community. Hold the club accountable with love and loyalty. Participate in FABU census campaigns and proudly wear the badge of membership. Because when the fans become organizers, they create movements. When they feel they are seen, respected, and rewarded, they return, not just online, but also to the stadium. Although the FABU census is also a sole initiative to the all football sports fraternity, this will serve as a blueprint for clubs across the country, big and small, to follow. They should build their own viable supporter databases. They should collect and invest funds into local football development. Use membership tiers to offer real benefits and discount merchandise and access. This will not only grow the fan base, it will revive the stadium attendance. Imagine the full terraces of the stadium across Ghana, not just the derby between Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, and House of Hope, but for every Premier League fixture, from Tamale to Takwa to Accra to Brekum. That's the vision we must all pursue. And for the GFA, as the governing body of Ghana football and a key stakeholder in the development of the sport at all levels, the Ghana Football Association affirms its full support for FABU census initiative and to any club in the ecosystem that will embark on this journey. We will work closely with Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sporting Club and their management to ensure if there are any regulatory alignment, technical integration where it is needed, and a wider education adoption of among clubs, fans, and the football ecosystem. The GFA is fully committed to facilitating innovations that advance sustainability, transparency, fan-driven development in the promotion of the game of football. Let me, on behalf of the GFA president and the entire football fraternity, extend our heartfelt congratulations to the interim management committee led by my brother Nana Apikra, the supporting management and technical team of the team, the supporters, both local and those in the diaspora of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, for your leadership, foresight, and dedication. And most importantly, we salute the life patron of the club, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II, whose enduring vision, wisdom, and unwavering support continue to elevate the club and inspires us all. In conclusion, this is a momentous day. With FABU census, we will not only witness history, we are not only witnessing history, we are shaping the future. Let this platform be a bridge between tradition and technology, a tool for unity, progress, and pride, and a model for how Ghanaian clubs can thrive in a new football era. Congratulations once again to Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. Long live the Porcupine Warriors. Fabu the best. Fabulous! 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 Long live Ghana football. Thank you.
Yeah, if I want to say, if I want to say, take a car, I want to say, without you to say. Remember the Kaka so let's have a bar. 31st of August. That's a baby, you know. Okay, 31st of August. I did 90 years. I was somebody a match back on show. That was somebody very. 31st August. Where will be there? Your dear birthday. And today I'm birthday present. I decided to buy 31st. 31st August. I've been 90 years. 31st August. And then I come to players in the home. Son of them, I say, what are we doing? Son of them, I'm saying, saying, the person oh, saying, players in the home. Saying, what can become? Say, 50,000. 50,000 Ghana cedis. No, someone. 50,000 Ghana cedis. What I want you. I want you. 50,000 Ghana cedis. But I'm committing 90 years, 31st of August. And so am I. 50,000. And the people are also all going to. I'm also good. All right. Okay, something to cool about Obama and Chelsea movie and the man. But I'm 50,000 Ghana cedis. Mr. Makado, Vice President of GFA. One part of our never man. Oh, perhaps I will. Or perhaps I will to teaching you to be. Yo, this is a 80 way NSCD a real 50,000 Ghana cedis from the Vice President of the Ghana Football Association, Mr. Makado. Thomas and Brother Collins, who wants to say Manuel? If I press, who can I press? What's the form of Quadalasi? Now, I'm for 50,000. I go to press who can 50,000 Ghana cedis for Quadalasi. What I say? The Masako records. Very important. Good. 50,000 Ghana cedis. If I told someone kind of profit, it is a report of your kind is a head of war. Say, Wabaha. Now, I'm part of that. I bet to buy password to census room. And I will say, or sign it CPSO for part of the century, Masters of the World. Now, also, Papu census, so let's get the power. I say, we would have fine our put on the Jimmy Grabber, a very supporters oversight committee. I just feel Kobia. Ọmọ ìjọsìn kasa ní sọ́sẹ́ bìbí ẹ̀kọ́ kàmàkàmà ẹ̀bẹ̀ àyẹ̀ ẹ̀kí à àyẹ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ bíà ẹ̀mọ̀nù ọ̀sìn ẹ̀mí jì yẹ sẹ́yìn nana bèbèrè ẹ̀ kásẹ̀ sikari ɛhyɛ ti firi bi ɛna ɛda bɛ si saa bere yi ɛkyɛ sɛ saa transparency anaasɛ mu na ɔfan no ɛda hɔ ɔsi ɛkɔ soa na ɛti saa sika yi na ɛbɛma ti na wɔn de abɔ do sɛ supporters no ehunu sɛ team no deɛ ne deɛ ɛyɛ mɔ ɔmo a ɛbɛma supporters no so ayɛ ɔmo aba stadium na ɛbɛma n'aka matches akɔtɔkɔtɔ bɔ nyinaa ɛkɔ ɛsɛ akɔtɔkɔtɔ na asopɔ na nipa bɛba ne mu kɔtɔkɔtɔ chance anaasɛ team saa ka ne nyinaa ɛba stadium ɛbɛyɛ ma ɔde ne deɛ ɛde ma ɔtumfoɔ ɛwɔ kwan afa so ɔmo gyina kɔtɔkɔkyi ɛwɔ sikasɛm mu ne bibiara na ɔsɛ yɛ na ahoahoa na mmoa bi akɔtɔkɔhia no yɛma na so nti ɔbɛba yɛ support bi ehia biara na akɔ kamakama bɛbɔ ne tɔfa asɛ wɔka no bɔfo mu no ɛno na maka no nkyɛn bɔn sɛ ba bɛ saa dodo owi yɛ no ayɛ 50,000 Ghana cedis yɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛ no yɛwɔ sponsors bi yɛ a wɔba on board ɔmo yɛ new kura nti ɛno no ɛdama ɔbɛni ɔkasa ɛde ma kɔtɔkɔ.
Fabros emu ode yi aba na ɔbusuafoɔ ɛnɛ dɛ yi ɛyɛ ma ne gye sɛ mede enyimako mmienu ɛbɛtu da sɛ ɔmo ne Asante Kotoko Sporting Club the greatest club ɛbɛ nya ayɔnkofa ɛyɛ sponsorship and partnership agreement na sɛ enyimako yi yɛdi kan yɛfrɛ mo Hodges Financial Technologies na ɔmo tẹ nyɛ ma dodoɔ no atɛ ne ɔpaa yɛ kɔba tìmɔtò wani a wɔn sɛ wɔn ahyɛ sodeɛ ɛna ɛbɔ wɔn kɔba KORBA na kɔbafo yi wɔn yɛ dwumakuo a sikasɛm no ɛfa abɛɛfo kwan so technology mu ɛna wɔn yɛ ɛsɛ dwumakuo no ebi saa mmerɛ yi ɛna ne gye sɛ mɛka kyerɛ ɛdɛ kɔtɔkɔ busua nyinaa sɛ kɔba company yɛn a wɔn sign 1 year sponsorship and partnership agreement ni nyinaa ne sɛ wɔn nsɛm ɛ ɛbɛn pii deɛ yɛ tia ne sɛ mopɛ sponsors na mopɛ partners na ɛnam saa nsɛm yi nso ɛna yɛn nso yɛn ho sɛ yie yɛ ti no yɛahyɛ ase a yɛtu anamɔ a ato nsupapa agu so a ɛnɛ dɛ kɔba ɛne kɔtɔkɔ ebedi tuma 1 year na sikatua wo ɔmo nsa dɔboa yɛn ɛwɔ abɛɛfo kwan so ama esikasɛm so akɔ so ɛtɔ so mmienu ɔmo so dwumadie a ɔmo deɛ no ɛyɛ nsuo a yɛnom yɛn nyinaa nim sɛ water is life nsuo ni hɔ a bibi yɛ ni hɔ a ɛyɛ bɛyɛ yi eti asa na wɔtoa so aka our second sponsors no sɛ kɔba ɛfa ne fɔ hɔ a ɔmra stage nso na wɔde kɔbusuafoɔ nyinaa ewu hɔ kɔba ɛyɛ Hodges Financial Technologies a ɔmo trade name ɛyɛ kɔba ɔmo fa ne fɔ hɔ a ɔmra stage nso na ewu wɔn same ɛne mpanyinfoɔ ɛbaayɛ no tumako yi ɛnkan ɛna wɔn ekyi paa ɛwɔ kɔba mpanyinfoɔ na ɛbaayɛ fasa wɔn hyia wɔn kɔba ɛyɛ kɔba ɔbɛnni a odi kan the fellow Samuel Ishen is the head of corporate business. Your also Samuel Audu ɛba mo na free Asante reading because the learning center on the head the zonal head for the learning center and then the third person Wisdom Officer he is the assistant manager for written some of you and another original cover written anymore and then everybody is a casual say only as a Sporting Club as a 1 year sponsorship and partnership agreement. Okay,
Look why just you know. Tell everybody can so much man over here. Almost supply is so no more summer is car. Tell everybody I got to go. The Juma no. The video on the official business sponsors. If you have the 12 Summit Industries Limited, the producers of Lake Country Mineral Water, Lake Country LE, and then Country COUNTRY. Control Lake Country because over say you shall go up to the anyone. Your first of the forum. They are the producers of Lake Country Mineral Water, Summit Industries Limited. Only one year adoption. We really ensure a fellow the country. The effective way we as a people to go, we share here. Ensure the next 2 years, the country. The country mineral water. We won't pay you. If you know, as I am they say, so in my the country, you need to be able to 1 year. Some days waiting for you for yesterday. When you buy or that you will go down, you think, Mr. Yao Dongo, he is the owner, overall boss of Summit Industries Limited, producers of the country mineral water. Next. Next, Mr. Daniel Abramba, Operations Manager, Next, Mr. William Fair, in charge of sales and marketing. Last but not least, Daniel Atiko, a basic accountant also. Never shall go shop and play. If you like, the person in shop, only a particular outside scholarship agreement there. Almost supply so any cigar as I tell you. Never shall go on control. Stay in
I was actually what I tell Pacho. No way, but when the Sasha water I told you the prayer. Young men say, we do have some disaster for ourselves as well. Primary level to do. The rest of the prayer, operating GTech doctor on the pharmaceutical and the prayer. The friend of Dr. Chima. Dr. Chima. And so we put this also. I was a real
Fabulous.
Oh, fabulous. Fabulous.
Ampa Imwedi within the Philip Japon Jima, the CEO of Jima Limited. Now, if you can Emma Nana Pinkrabasi were of Asante Protocol. Any management members of Asante Protocol, any past management members are. And I'm so by a more amano as my now, my secretary and swam a year as Antico National Circles Council, past chairman for any past executives almost so far who says so smooth. Am I a year and lady about to do their dream? Now, my Santiago supporters any news and penny for the members in our city. Simple so far who says so smooth. Ama and for who says of Abaya said, dear, ye pound Toma, nay push up on the Nina Abaya Moakas here, and Yama Santiago. See, I can say Fabu sensors, any dear Fabu sensors, the official database system of Asante Kotoko. They register Kotoko supporters, and we are safe for na Obia data upper database. Na Ebebo Asante Kotoko, ama nipa no a ɛwɔ Asante Kotoko members. Na asama Obia apunya bosumi bia. Asante Kotoko is more than a club. Asante Kotoko is a culture, it's a tradition. And the culture Kotoko supports the we are measuring the millions of funds and they are doing Fabu census. Now, all joining Fabu census, you more a unique number. A number, a young crowd, AK now number not trust. Official membership card. That is a good time. Nanadia and now, if I say, what any Tunia or two channels and say, Okotoko number ASA. Oh, what's your two channels say, Okotoko number ASA. It's only Kotoko number. Over 3 now. So they bear Fabu census and they bear Asante Kotoko. They can source Emma Asante Kotoko. I register supporters and we are and no supporters are. Problem. When Fabu census, no, yeah, supporters are. And what can you don't Kotoko supporters are a member. You don't support a man. You don't support and what a pro Amarama in Asu. Pablos. When Fabu census also no. You bet me Kotoko supporters are. A year to say 18 to 56. And with Fabu census, Kotoko all this data of Kotoko supporters in sponsorships and partnerships. And then we are saying, say, bet me these sponsors. How much you have what the data? Company now target company be one a man a 20 to 50. And it's constant revenue. And they say, yeah, supporters, 8 million supporters. Say, 1 million supporters are Emma Asante Kotoko, 5 cities every month. That is 5 million Ghana cities. With 5 million Ghana cities every month, you know. And I say, you have 10 cities for 1 million supporters are 10 million Ghana cities. If it's not what you know, supporters and team Ako and then I would sense was yeah at any home. Over then at one better Fabu census. Yeah, acquire me and son, yeah, they ever join Fabu census. The kind Fabu census, above 50. obi a wɔwi ase afa na bi a betumi atena ne fie na ɔno nso atɔ ne Fabu Census ama na yie ɔbɛkɔ Fabu Census website www.fabucensus.com na ɔde a register yɛbɛbusa wo nneɛma kakra bi sɛ wodin ekura a wote so ɔno a wote so womfie wode tɔbɛn na yɛagye information bi te sɛ wo photo ne yɛde ayɛ official fabulous na yɛde ayɛ wɔ official kɔtɔkɔ card te sɛ deɛ ɛbɛda so yi ebi ama wo na baabi a yɛbɛkɔ wiase afa na bia no wɔatumi de akyerɛ sɛ ampa wonyɛ akɔkɔsɔkɔrɔta ama mpa wobɛtumi nso ayi nso ɛyɛ de akɔtɔkɔ express app a wobɛtumi adownload and app store anaasɛ the ussd code *920*99#. ɛnɛ dɛn ɛyɛ Fabu Census sɛdeɛ yɛayɛ no foforɔ na ayi akɔ n'anim sɛ supporter bi a ɔregister no the first means a ɔmfa register ɛyɛ website no ɛnyɛ ussd code no deɛ nti a yɛrekasa ne sɛ woyi so website no a wobɛtumi upload wo photo ne yɛnya ayɛ wo card ama supporters bebree wɔ hɔ a wɔde ussd code register yɛ wɔn atumi upload wɔn photo eti wɔn ntumi nsa nka wɔn kɔtɔkɔ card yɛbɛhyɛ sɛ Fabu Census agency a ɛwɔ akyire no wowɔ ha na wɔn nsa nka wɔn kɔtɔkɔ card a ewie yɛ a wobɛkɔ hɔ sɛ wo photo na yɛ nyinaa yɛ a wobɛtwa wo photo ne yɛde ayɛ wo kɔtɔkɔ card ɛde ama wo. Sɛsɛyi Fabu Census yɛasesa nneɛma kakra ɛyɛ supporter types categories no yɛasesa no kakra na sei na yɛayɛ no sɛsɛyi yɛwɔ 7 supporter categories starting from standard, bronze, silver, gold, diamond, platinum ɛne yɛde foforɔ koraa san bɛka ho a yɛfrɛ no royal supporters. Sɛ wo register a free standard ebesi platinum a registration fee na yɛde yɛ card ama no ɛyɛ 30 Ghana cedis wobɛnya card no wobɛnya mfasoɔ bebree nso wɔ na standard no bosome bi aso a yɛbɛtɔ 5 cedis afiri mobile money wallet no sɛ woyi so mobile money a anaa bisa mastercard bronze ɛyɛ 10 Ghana cedis ɔmo ama no nso yɛ $5 silver ɛyɛ 20 Ghana cedis amanɔnefoɔ yɛ $10 diamond ɛyɛ 100 Ghana cedis amanɔnefoɔ ɛyɛ $50 platinum ɛyɛ 500 Ghana cedis oṣù biara amanɔnefoɔ $70 ɛna royal supporters no nso ɛyɛ the new supporter group no ɛne deɛ ɛyɛ foforɔ koraa ɛne sɛ wo register royal supporter group na it come with special benefits sɛdeɛ nana edi kan bobɔ so no ɛno registration fee no ɛyɛ 5,000 Ghana cedis 5,000 Ghana cedis wo amanɔne a ɛyɛ $500 na bosome biara wotua 1,000 Ghana cedis ɛde abo akɔtɔkɔ wo amanɔne nso a ɛyɛ $100 na mfasodeɛ bɛyɛ na woyɛ supporter wo nso bɛnya every Fabu Census mu yɛde anim sɛ yɛkɔtɔkɔ na yɛdɔ no adeɛ ɛnya yɛ paa ne sɛ yɛbra right sɛ yɛyɛ kɔtɔkɔ supporters wobɛnya wo kɔtɔkɔ number wobɛnya wo kɔtɔkɔ card a bia bɛgyina bia bɛtumi akyerɛ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ supporter number wɔsɛ nya discount sonko sɛ wode kɔtɔkɔ card kɔ any of our loyalty partners a ebi wɔ Kumasi ha ebi wɔ Nkran ebi wɔ shops all over Ghana yɛbɔ provincial shops ni nyinaa a wobɛtumi akɔ hɔ ebi yɛ hospitals ebi yɛ malls ebi yɛ retail shops all types of business ɛyɛ kɔtɔkɔ card ne kɔ hɔ a discount sonko wɔ hɔ a wokɔtɔ adeɛ anaa patronize service na wobɛnya ɔwɔ so yɛ direct benefit. Supporter benefits ni bio. Sɛ woyɛ standard, bronze, silver, gold, diamond, anaa platinum supporter, wobɛnya discount on black replica jersey. ɛyɛ nana so that is for the royal supporters. Now, the person Mrs. Subio and say, the Fabu census, Fabu census is open and transparent. Into your support and I register. Oh, wow, dashboard, Fabu census. So, I'll bet you logging in a brevia, Ubeusika, Utia, Bosumi Bia Sika, Utia, Ewo. Ubeusika, Kotoko supporters, or yourself and Enina Etia. Sika enya wa hwa de mua club no obehu ni nyina ho etu sika na wutua no obenya rehemu se sika ne mfa ba bia eboa asante kotoko ama kotoko etimi akonenim owo Ghana ana owo amanonim kwa obetimi di mobile money Visa card ana Master card enso edi etua eye Ofabu census no omo amanone na omo access to mobile money obetimi di mobile money etua ewo baby a obia se uni ebi na ho Ghana na person de ni mobile money tua nso a ye system ni se ubetimi de tua amana yeye Fabu census ene economy se unya any challenge bia obefa Fabu census call center na ya a good screen is we ana obese na ya from back na ya boawo yenya yen kambom na Fabu census emeye krabehwe yenya yen kambom emboa makotoko entimi mpega said ye pese kotoko pega no. Mesdames et messieurs, Pablos.
Now, some of my mother hit you, but there's a mamma matuna, and your mamma too free enough for Rani. Move from your mamma, move from your mother. Talk about it. Woman took a car for you. But a woman took a car for you from one of the mattress. When you fast, go by follow. Move far. Talk about move far. Just some 10 minutes, move about it. Talk about follow, move to see it. Talk about, move 10 minutes. Maybe a place no park, no Muti, and then for real. When you fast, talk about when you fast. Move fast, say, Hannah, space, move far, Talk about this. I'm going to be over stadium Sunday. I want to know Madaba Kotoko. I want to know now 90 minutes. Players look after I don't want to know. Kotoko also have fan base. Ghana has it. And to the moment 10 minutes, I'm also going to do it. I will hit like a camera enough. I will hear that continue to lie in the players in the match. Why do you do that? You don't know.
From Dakopon Hospital. Training gas one. Hospital na ogamu and omo ha. Omo ba yo ba to bia ho do bia no. For the medical team no e wa kire. Fabulous. Family, I am minister 11 new players ya. Get me asa omo ho dini na omo ka Fabulous obusia no. Ama ya ji group afie no. Me di omo nyina e ba kire omo fo. Na ye hu omo. We shall safety goalkeeping. I feel you say one goalkeeper. Say America 3 goalkeepers I want and 4. It is only Emedesa me invite Aziz Haruna from Betel United. Aziz Haruna from Betel United. Aziz come bra bra. That's a double bar. Now, Baba defenders, centre back from Vekum Chelsea. I invite Zakaria Fuseni, centre back. Obama Yupa, competition right back. That's why I'm back here. Kutu also want day papa. Oh, right back home. Shaibu Abubakar. Samale Luzot. Ogobo our Karola. Shaibu Abubakar. Afe midfielders from the team United. I invite Seth Kajo.
Lọ́sẹ̀ tó kọ́ ni wọ́n hàn pa ibi àdúrà lẹ́bí ọ̀dọ́ náà pa lọ. Okay, from Samatex, 1996 FC, Hilary, Lord, Adabo, Hilary, Lord, Adabo. Hilary, Lord, Adabo. Mr. Left back, Timasa Kwesi, Nama Imbate, Francis Aqua from Bethel United. Left full back. Open Sewa, we could go. And that's a good one. I thought the passage to Lumina, Evan Checker for. Now, another left back from Lagos Cities, Joseph Amwa. Joseph Amwa, Pajero. I don't think I'm going to go high. I think I'm going to now me call wingers. Ntantano. Now I invite Johnson Owusu. Abante no amana. You can understand. Johnson Owusu. Johnson Owusu. You can understand. What was that? Now bring the Riga Jades. We go around with them for order. Now, I say invite Adam Inusa from Asasaban. Akwa United. I don't see the phone you have to travel. Asasaban in Tijaraba. Also a ringer. That's Philip Amo from New BSC FC. Philip Amo. New BSC. Now, last but not least, attacker, my boss say Yanyano. From Besum Chelsea, I invite Hubert Jam. Hubert Jam, the attacker. That's one of the two. Now, remember old players from Zaba. Now, who go that? The old players will tell them, oh, Bani Abodi. What is something Bani Abodi now? Fatao, Kamara, go to Panama. What your classes are Fatao, Sadie, Lord Amora, Benjamin, go to Lord Amora, right back. Patrick Garcia, left back. Samba Ole. Santa back, I will to Santa back. Baba, I am no further. Baba, Poku Baye. Baba, Poku Baye, attacker. Joseph Abra, the pillar, chair, defender. Don't attack a winger. I will take up for Auche. Imanuanti, no further. Albert Amwa, attacker. We pass the better players now. The technical team is already shooting here. Hamza Mohammed, assistant coach. For the seniors, I'm head coach for the junior team. This is the major man. I am the chairman. A new appointment. Together with other manager members, I have found. I am the chairman. I am the After Paul, physical trainer, Eric Liba, go to bed trainer, Baba, driver, chief driver. Tactical, appointment to be a the technical team and the management team. The IMC chairman, Nana Apenkra Akaziwa, Utum Force, Company Affair. Tana May, Open Baby, didn't airport area wɔn nyinaa ahɔ na ɔdi ne yɛn eti ne bɔɔl de paa ɛnna appointment ayɛ wɔ management ne technical team no ɔman fɔ. Pablos. Anyway, I am a meeting, I am a the whole year we did the new players I have found. The ọmọ afa fẹbi ha ẹnkyẹ gàmẹtì ẹntẹ wọn kúṣà yìí no yẹ má ọmọ nyinaa kọ àbá wọn bá bá nyinaa kọ àbá wọn mú adada ní sí nyinaa wọn mú ní brẹ last year mo yẹ adìẹ papapapapapa sẹ new team ẹni máa bá together within 1 year nítorí ẹpẹ sísá ẹnyẹ nneọma kìtìkìtì bí ní ẹnyẹmẹ bí ẹkọ ọsọ a. Akali di di na pe ya bia ezo ya funso ya kasa ya funso ya fanso bia anyway mijra ha I am very happy to introduce to you our new sɛ numere yɛhyia mu wɔ ha yi mɛbɛda yɛn mpanyinfo a yɛafa ɔmo foforɔ adi akyerɛ supporters yi nyinaa na deɛ di kan ɛyɛ ma anigye bebree sɛ mɛ introduce you Akwasi Kusi Afo Akwasi Kusi ɔno na ɔyɛ assistant coach our youth team no e take to football academy no our assistant ma coach Hamza so ba e official introduction and mo awu ni dada ya bi mu for you Amos say Obaya as a team manager, new team manager. Now say they do my party any addition I so. They say you're the assistant coach Akane Juma. It's a new team assistant SI team manager also. The youth keeper. Miba, also a former player. The drum said, "Oh, yeah, Jimapa, who was to buy pa, oh, yeah, Bibia pa, now pa, which is Abba." And yeah, physical trainer. I saw a pa, Patrick or the Abba. After I ever go pre-season India, if South Africa never, gidi. Pao, Emmanuel Amateur. Now, Faye, yeah. Every IMC Asia after the Akwa Yura and the Kotu Yura and the power by Oba, your final sack on my church and on my director by Oba and Chebiana and Contemporary. The castle and my now then, if it will be a few baby back. They didn't call out the Russian, but they are betrayed. And they will be back and fatherly love. Every share or one or more, every come in our boom. Or buy
league mu FA Cup mu bibia upon who modern league no na eja ya yan fum so bi eye na anu ntino ene de kwato ye ya vice president won fi no the call so man the CC ya ye points ya kodi tam no asema kwato ye no ye ba ye mo no ye de ya ma ye bi o mo ambo kapo ene ya chicha ma ho eja I say ago only die Fabio Coutinho we are the proud of God and that is the so and I never care say maybe actually am paba we prayer one or the could be cred and we league no so FA Cup no so they prepare about near semi-finals and no they call finals no so and Okojima FA Cup ya for Africa ya World Cup Confederation Cup any officer we crown President Cup na ya go kwati ya ne ya anum na ebo anyway we be final test ya anum die ya kwa ya mu amu dem dey see eti na no ya wa de kwatu ye ranim ana ayo sifo eni na ya ne management ye shia ya ji atu say coach Akin Karim Zito ya mama contract 2 years here that ọ̀nà ọ̀dẹ́ yẹn kọ̀ ọ̀nà ẹ̀dẹ́ yẹn kọ̀ Africa ẹni bìbí ẹ̀ǹtì. Sẹ́sẹ́ ọ̀nà technical director bí ẹ̀wọ̀n o head coach of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. Bìbí na ṣẹ́ ní nsá technical bìbí ṣẹ́ ní nsá ọ̀nà ló di ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀dí akọ Africa. Yes, it will mean to near dinner to our children. I call you that. And I did it. And I feel the technical for Monopoly.
Mami friend bra.
Pablos. The management required to make ever yeah, a big kind that's a marketing. Or no, once we are Meduha, by Chino, my family, a better energy. I'm saying, yeah, I'm going to photo. Your friend of Charles Toku Hammond. Only her, and did a tribunal or bar. I don't know that you now, do I talk to you? Corporate and external affairs. If you say corporate and external affairs, let's say. Baby, I never could be a meeting in Coach Cosiapent in management members in Tinkono. And a backup. And can go, sir, they have a show, baby. Our meetings are going now. I don't know. There are how many Unina Asenso, Mr. Lagos cities. No, a general manager. And as I say, you're not back at home. And tomorrow, only I do much. I feel the other than the actual. I say, as my pa, you will find. As I my pa, Christopher Damina. I'm a NCC chairman. Say I know Sibua. I know Sibua. I think the other chairman. And Polo here. Owie the time of so ya Owie chairman. The task chairman said, "One person." One person chairman now consistent. You get me elections. And you really made that a year chairman. Now no ya wada. And you don't 2 years running. Say, you percent or the kind of home boy. You didn't do anyone for putting to cry. And so only my Juma or no other Christopher. Over your fans and more. Your friend share your director of operations. Christopher, operations, you know. And yes, I can't operations and I had the Cafu Jenfi. I don't program here last year, and she said, "Dear baby, I papa bono, send you this year. She said, your ma, or one no number bone, Tamu, dear, baby, dear, or no, I shall say. Yeah, Baba for South Africa. My good friends is from Sana, lawyer Masaba. Yeah, Baba for South Africa. And she said, "Dear, oh, dear, or no, the kind of." Now, bibi a wasu oye biara so obeye safo so beye na juma na mami sanka san ma fi ase ye ko South Africa yi Prabu census no ye ko akọlanchi wo ho supporters wo ho nyina Ghana fo wo ho nyina no o se am omu nyina aka ho e ka Prabu census no so ansana ye be ko ba bia e be ko akọbọ match bia regions ni nyina regional chairman for second chairman no monya ready ye be ba bia e be wo match bia no e be make sure say days before no ye be ba launch Prabu census na ne memenda ya da bibia na etimi akofo enti enya hanko a eje ahanko a ye wie ye be kwa to the extent say on hini bia a paramount school house and then school office biara no yɛbɛnya obi ama no atena hɔ ne ama no computer yɛma no laptop ne mobile phone a ɔde bɛ register ansa na yɛbɛba bɛlankye wie yɛba ne yɛde nkurɔfoɔ no ba hɔ ɛbɛlankye wie a na ɔmo soso akokɔ kɔ round yɛwie a ne yɛgya nipa baako so kuroma ni o sɛ wɔho yɛgya no wɔ kurom hɔ na ɔno nso aregister faabu census ɛduro ne ɛnna mr adamanya sɛ wagye ato mu ɔde na pamfo nyinaa ɛde ma ase bebree. Auction. This is specially prepared this one. They been invited head coach. Now, Oba and also the captains. Amani. They had to say, the captains in a meeting with the movie. Example coach and Panapida. They were captains for the club. If you are not going, the first supposed to head coach. And the second guy to man. Fabulous. Anytime, me technical team and then Damas. To be easy, but who don't and I'm missing who don't and I'm with the Admana as I should say. Now, we are making the same. When we are fast one Beijing. Yes, so and I'm also more than Brapa because that number 12 we have make I say maybe on that 12 on that 17 call Benny the normal to be and I could watch him Facebook into almost share now Fatao. They say, one supporters, they don't know. They are still drawn. It's okay, go. It means we are going to be there. They went back. So, your best say, supporters, and they were AGP until one banner homes are I at me, Abobon, Montigua, Mao, they know, and if you share you are. Then we are quite extra to bring the result for you. Thank you very much. Okay, aside that, your captain is about leadership. It's all about say, what team not daddy, or we better about team not leadership quality. So, on the field of play, and the young who is it? Miami Papa, Miami New York. Okoko free akobon fa mikra pugari pamano mikai bobo na obo kwasi abolu achira otimi fi no manai ho eba number 3 na wa bakika bi achira na okọ wa o bejira wo yi so best street entino me hwe no me first captain no me di amasama This the way he is. The attitude is always high. And on top I said, and Korea, he's always on top of it. Until what is ever said, after consultation, technical team,
the amount of test. Yes, I'll be with you. And you want a fantasy as over one. Okay, Bakubi or Joe or the Elsu. Kwame Elsu. And you're Kwame Popo, Kwame Elsu. I think both of them have the same attitude on the field of play. They do their best, they listen to instructions given to them, and then whatever you tell them to do, they are ready to do. And said the last match we play against Sasofo, me a problem or DMO, in the meantime, and I'm a player about Auchi, or to coach, Oma Ensun Komosis. Na samba ensu kobo 5 na samba kobo 6 there ensu kobo 6 na samba ni ababi o because onye wo them. So you see the kind of person you be an go so coach me make happen no sorry it tells you the attitude now on you never see that now the same movie no there's a guy in this team. Although I know Mama Kaya, me any me boss Kwesiapia because any Haruna you see, send a yesi born no, Yampoya Yamre, me fair and not long, or also Okata say everything because one way but or the any these are about. Oba torture women ma not damage because me any ma make us on metras me so me enemy o pe wi sa enti nipa mi say you say Omba eja omba you thank you very much.
Oya trust you. Be no trust you. Dabi also bisa ko salamba. Ko si to Africa le ko no. What do there? I mean, some demo. They be out here power there because some person to there. I feel you better as I say you person you will be at it. We know how Africa can crowd. We know how we do that. I ain't able to. Say you go home to do me so one year do. I'm say I do the kind of papa you know about my table. About before that's possible, I said, white boy, I see. Or what I see. No, I see. What I see. I said, about the last hour. No, yes, I didn't. We are also about the left. Empty. Coach. Say a cry. I could die. I didn't find out what I support me. Then, you're the cocoa. Africa, what would that? Because I would that. Kinsolo also. Every club
in the whole wide world. Say, Omuka say, Timmy Aji Kapwa. The computer player be Omuka say a unity. When the unity is there, I think that's going to follow. Thank you.
Okay, that's a time we need to learn.
And then, yeah, you go, you Kapo. And then, you know, and then proceed or from a bra, this was very bra. Ball, and the other cabo, my ayaputra. We are a true unity. Oh, what's it? Okay, we are not a champion. But I will be proud of the two. Oh, 2 minutes, we go to. David, we on one is a pride. It's a big pride. Hello, baby, my yard, me cry. What do that is my power, and I just look at 2 or my 2, and I look at what's in. As I went to class with Virginia, we see like Casa. What's that? What's up, we are sure, sir, I'm not telling you who Kosito, I don't know, I'm not going to know.
Real Madrid for no player be a friend of Marcelo. What is Marcelo? Aha, Marcelo in the ball. Fala na kwesi apia papa we fala na mo ball ntie. Na me yase sa video sin na as a GBC o se ayira. Etu ka mo se si wura na se masa. Ball aya hwe kuruma no. Me na me sora papa de go stadium. Papa we ni ko se put me for ball factory ho. No way. Otokunti. Na me yase na we ha. Oh, back we center line. Center no. O tra center ni kakra se. O se ha o three. O tra center kakra shot from center. Catch up.
Your camp. I didn't see it. And Obubi Tiba Medium. Your Zungu, your Ashtown, your Kufu, your camp. And Onoba Zungu. Let me tell you, Zitobra. They must shoot as a machine, the bathroom is always like that. I'm telling you the real story. And I'm talking. Oh, Pierre, so we can't say what the other said to was. But Scabra and from out. Now, I don't go into our mind. And everybody, we need some few minutes after sharing. And you know, yeah, court dressing room, minimum than that. And I'm saying, so much at 3 was a measure. But within 6 minutes, you know, I watch at 3 room. So, see that, unfortunately, and I'm almost sure about the airport, but yet we're giving bonus because. Has measure of killing over the cannon here. You know, a story of us all. Anytime your husband walk, it's like the world is coming to an end. And say, go on. So I put this club to the current protocol players who put it within themselves. As for us, so yeah, so much first up. That's what I say. And before the game, I told Kwesi and Nana, you see, training is any situation. I told them. So, once I found out my 10 minutes, I'm going to come. 2 minutes, and I'm going to come. All I said to them. Now, someone will wear the bar. They can't use the way the government is here. So, that was something. And that's what local South African people koye drama. Master ball na papa we saw ball. Master with the card. Master with the card ko to go Samale. Samachro. 3 mark to go. Na ko siapia. Ala ko siapia tra. Eti ni bo betra 3 na 20. Kwa kuchira ni be we say. Tie na obi ko pa ko bia am say. And before say Zamale commercial 2 minutes, I remember commercial. Now I started on a new family. As I said, first goal commercial. Just imagine. Commercial 2 number commercial, there 5 minutes. I said, first goal. Now 3. So now I come out from us to rock with you. And the supporters are number 2 stadium, number Kai, and last one. Now, I'm not going to that day. The woman said, Razak, I got you on every pool and I got to center. And yeah, there's a scene. That is one of the captain, Razak. So we started Papa about the corner. After 2 corner, something that we take out of 1-1. Now that day, me like him, you want the Beko Stadium, that day, man, on the Beko VIP, to me, who won the something that we take up money 1-1, all the news. Because there's some food. They can't play as move from Waba. Or take only some of the Sana. Or take a money 1-1 now, or 3 pound no bus, not Usu. Because now, I can't see a best chairman of 3 near 2-4. There is some of the country, no quarterfinals, Africa Cup. If the whole any passage in the Anna Prince Folly, I say, 2-1. Now they didn't start to say, cost through stadium. And a Prince Folly corner side saying, 3-1. In the first half now. Now then they pass stadium. I say when you make a say, come on, you should know it. No, Moses here. No, in the next 10 years. Another MC with Raha. On Castle. Abia, Emanuelki. And now come to Kubuya. Now, thank you. It's a 3-1 you call half time. Now, the same center for America said, Toku Tintina or Shell Hassel. Something them fee. The man the pass center now, Ultra Center credit, center shot. And I have 4-1. Now, then they buy him.
What's a guy? That's easy. I don't change him another player about the Saramosa. Oh, somebody said they 5-1. That they come out saying that the whole Kumasi, the before Kumasi, they are the cardiac system, and then so I'm not now, most of the players. Today, I'm some one, I'm not paying. But I'm not the American history, it's one better history, that is the come on. Now, my kind of side, you know, not because of the money. Aha, no check this year. Next season, got to call the other one. Aha, next season, this year, we are never bought any. Aha, that's how we are. Program like I say, call live on YouTube. And today I'm going to show you yourself for Nigeria. Moving up program. Oh, Asante Kotoko Sporting Club live on YouTube. Team Pacho. And for the first second, we know music from, but I saw music from this and later in our answer. And Team Pacho coach there, captain also there. And the moment I know from. Now, Michelle Kotoko, the guest here, listen to 10 and 20 per 1 hour. They team to Pacho will be there 10,000. 10. I said not 40,000. I said what's it called? People tell what are you going to do from 10,000? Some about 10,000. Also 10,000. No, 10,000. Pacho, why do you know what's it from 10,000? And that's why I'm not going to know how about that. More than 2 for the ankle over there. After 10. I well, percent to 10,000. 10,000. How do you tell me? 10,000. Don't you know? You know somebody for Papa, Mahu Dr. Kwakumu, Mahu Odikewa, Mahu Marindu Marina member, Minister of Labour Boy, Sudia, Samada Yamana, Minister of Labour about Dacia, and this is about 10. It's not to 10. Which one am I going to traffic? Margin. But don't you understand what you call the mouth? I like to say the mouth. Where I never tell. This young person is showing. Which are this is the other cookie. Autograph. Autograph this. Signature with access to 2 for them. And there is a master. The autograph will help you. In 2,000 go through them. And that's a good talk. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait 10. But only 10 now. Now, what am I? So you have to see also. Now, I can check about China Pound and up and grab the same account. I will see that's a very good one. I would have command. 10. As you can see, online. Showing across YouTube and America for share. The United States America, the United States Germany, the United States China. When we share the money of Kumasi, and the interest comes to see America for the online, but 10. Karim to 10. Some 10, also 10. Lord 10. Pacho. Whatever, I talk about sorry to Brachemo. Sorry to come on, Jaka. I can't about something Brachemo. 10. I saw from the ground. Million 20. 10. We some 10. So we have to see a natural back of us after the group officer. That's what about. But 10 from the company for the same as I mean to me now. I said 10, okay. 10. That's a 40. My place I said, show with me now. I'll put you in the camera. Now I'm going to Africa the grace. So, and I think I love this in your video. Cap with a jabber. Africa Jabba. Also, I'm going to cast for the cap. You know how I was about to master. I cap and grand river. But something to 10. 10. Whatever. Hey, that was it. Why not do? Who's the coach? Okay, Bodi, that's it.
Tell my Benjamin O'Brien,
incoming national chairman.
10,000.
Coach, any coach, and we get 10,000. Number you free.
Okay, Safu to Kumoja, Safu Kano. Okay. Now, someone you have to pay. You have to pay. They come and pay 10,000. Who should I call for the 10,000? Who's the richest man you know here? Call the name. I'll call the person. We have to come and pay for you.
Anyone,
okay. Pacho, I count 10, 10, 10. One of the number is 180. 10. One ever. My candidate says 10 in me has prayer. Any hand in prayer. Or trying to pass off for me office. Everything that come over. 10. Or better try there. I will chat about it. Why not? I tell you, one and two next one. 10,000 so that you will be as a can any 100 million, right? And I think we're going to go up. Maybe we'll be stuck on the sitter. No more penny. Because I'm going to their friend Alan Jima. Alan Jima, Kababa is also something about Fanny Lama. Fanny Panama must have said you would be out there. Because I was happy about that. Because happy at that time now, about training guys on the best number. Zito Ribwana. Open to about that time now best 190. At the top best, no was Kotokoro. I have said this out and this out back. If I saw 1 and 2, 10, 10, 10. Yeah, some of the people. The grace of all. Support the way, why not do it? Also, captain. Some of them 10,000. Some blah 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 blah. That's some of the guys. Okay. We shall take another from the I'm a taker. I say, why not? I say, it was our spirit. Why not? It was our spirit. My father said, I bet I'm more. Okay. Some of them do. It's got to be a little work. Those are the things why you know. Or simple news, what you can do. Yes. Or Dokotokolo. Any Lord. Why not you? Then yes, I would have been a man. Or by the 11% businessman for me. Because I feel assuming you. Charles. Yes. I found autograph once now. 1 year ago. I'm baby. It took up a secretary. When I was a baby, I'm out. Oh, I should have told us to see. Now, I'm going to say, autograph for Ripple to see. Now I'm going to stand up. But I want people. But wait, okay, you can answer. People may suffer their coin and the child of the fire and the son. What people say are 3. Not a dozen of them must say. 3 3 mo ba mo ba wa people be me nsa mo pe mo ba nipa me nsa mo pe de ko 10,000 de no 3 mo ana ga mo ba pro mo so bi ba na ya ya wa ko du ha okay ano kodan no we hey this year Kotoko Express Tabu Census latest one we can work on that can was show
we design t-shirt especially for the Tabu Census now Usha Odi bi person or register na yen enroll onto the Tabu Census platform no process no I was actually and to put an entry here obe say o darling *920*99#*920*99#. It information on its own. Tusha, Obibia, or person register or census, no, what to register no money.
But to be out there, our say, now, all the day you feel. If you are concerned, not about it, but who are you moving for? You go to the corner, or you besides our Korea, because of the master. I know the man so. I see, but when you're meeting, we will come back down. No, we don't say 1,000. We're 1,000. 1,000. Times 5,000. Oh, my 10,000 about 1,000. Okay, 500. First 5 to 500. You put first 5 about 500. What kind of plan? Who does you like to do 500 cities? 500 cities. So the treasure 500 cities. 500. Yes. 500 cities. Baby, I put it there, baby. Blah. Who the other 9,000? That's who America put the who the 2,000? Who America knew the Dr. I who the 1,000? Doctor, about 8,000. Doctor I 10,000. Doctor I, that's what Doctor I get 1,000. As you can say about my what's your phone saying? Okay, we don't know. All right. That can be like 500. 500. That's what they call me 500. Super 500. Educate the basis. Educate the Oh, madam. Come madam. Educate me to come. Cook up, madam. 500. 500. So Kotoko Pana Pase, Africa Cup now, 500. Fabra. They have one players. 500. 500 cities. Also, the Kotoko Pana, 500. With the dust of 500 in there. Okay, you're talking about quite a friend of Chairman Solo or China, but just now, yeah, photography. Now, a small music artist, 10,000, to remember so much Chairman Solo, on top of 10,000, also China, on the recover of the scholars, 10,000 for a tea, Duku. But when they are 500. 500. And then Dr. Kwakwana. 500. Then okay, 200. Adios, 200. When I have to say 200. 200 cities. 200. 200 cities. Ideas are 200. 200. I'm not going to match that. 200. 200. 200. Where will be able to match me? 200. 200. 200. 200 and a dozen. Who are people to the fast? 200 cities. Babu 200. Okay. At 200. 200. Babu census. T-shirt for F. But I was at the same place. Nine. 200. Okay, to make about the well, open this room to come out. The president. What pages in the Alcohol? Corona. Ujaya, Corona, Mokoju. To say, my minister always, yeah, 100 cities were from Abaco, 100 cities. To see for 100. And that's per 100. Who could feel the agriculture now is a Uber program also over to be from Kotoko. 100 cities. 100. 100 follow 100. 100. 100 cities. 100 cities. The public persons just 100 cities. 100. 100. Lady 100. 100 cities. Also lady not talk to 100 cities. 100. 100. Kotoko ni ti bi chow. O se mama we history kaka. We be always trying to be am from radio stations now. Now we do Sasa Karim Zitu anasa Kwesiapia. Now the go about to say why and Maka Chemu. Marcelo. Papa. Chelsea, the Macron, the Gram, also Papa Kwesiapia born kaka. The rest are good. The boy. Ata Kwesiapia. Easy. I left from Muslim owner. I can't get from Cousins. 100 cities, as a more, I obey 200. 100. Okay, move up on the Messiah, move up on the. Now, I'm over for the border. First year. If you say to Masha, we are good, I will wait for myself. This is normal. Well, keep good, if you just do this, also, I'm a corner, I'm a head, and I'm so much idea, I'm a charity. But I want to be a shadow. But 2 cities, right? Fantastic, fantastic. I have a penalty spot. All right. What's up? Martin, I remember now. Okay. But when that's on my kind. Okay, well, sorry. That's a move I can do. What's that? After what's the sound of the coffee soup? What's the sound of the phone? I'm not about to go. What's that? What's the sound of the music? I'm going to do. What's that? In TV, you know what's the sound of? Next one, who does this? You 50, that's what's the sound of. Who's that? 50. Who's that? 50. 50, all right. What's that? 50. I'll show everyone 50. David. What's that now? 50. What's that? Everyone 50. That's it. Safu. Because the phone will not let I'm just going to ask you. I'm going to let you. Safu. Secretary was saying, what's that now? 50. Boko Park has a border. The border is out of Kwame with the law social power. I can tell about the law social power. But what's that now? We're not 50. What's that? Yeah, we're 50. So I will say now over my business. Chairman, the minister of the money more. Yeah, Chairman. Yeah, Chairman. Chairman. Chairman, sir. The number 50. I'm not coming to the chairman, sir. The number 50. Chairman, sir. The number 50. I said this is why you're better than 50. But I'm not coming out. I'm going to go from my father. Yeah, chairman, go. What's saying about my 50 please? Because I say about it. Now, sir, you're about 50. I don't know if that's so good. What's up with the place away at the bar? I feel who's your penalty? I open now, sir. You're about 50 please. Who's saying about my 50 please? Over. Boy. I can fit to the boy. I want to do that. You saw all this time. But I go yes, but I go yes. But I go yes. But I go yes. Whatever next. Whatever. What's that now? 50. What's that? 50. Yeah, the mama. Whatever. What's the man who said it? What's that? I can 50. Oh, wait there. I will follow that. I don't know what's that. Wait, that's what I'm doing. Man 50. Man 50. Man 50. Okay. That's it, baby. And the man is also good. What is that? What is that say? Right away. Sir. I thought you were saying. Sir. Yes, sir. Last one away. Yes, sir. Last one away. Last one. Yes, sir. As I read away. Yes, sir. Where? Okay. Whatever next. Whatever next. About 50. About 50. Okay. Whatever. We penalty from that in Rusa. Yeah, my wife said, whatever. We will be able to let you know. I call the brother. We're going to like that to class. We're going to do something. We will show that 2 seconds. There's some the players never call training or child park. When you have said our players, your job.